Alright, I'm going to be showing you how to use the TI-84 to graph your kinetics problems. So I'm going to be using practice problem number 3, this graph right here, to show you how to do it. So on your calculator, the first thing you're going to hit is stat, edit, so enter, and then you have your columns. In your first column, you're going to put the time values as seen on the problem. So 0, 1000, 1800, 2800, 3600, 4400, 5200, 6200. Those are your time values seen like that. Then in your next column, L2, you're going to put your concentration values. So 0.01, 0.00625, 0.00476, 0.037, 0.00313, 0.027, 0.00241, 0.00208. So now you have both your time and your concentration values in. In order to make it easier, instead of having to do the log of each one of the concentrations, you can just go up to L3. When you're on the L3 box, hit enter, and then as you see in the bottom of the calculator, it says L3, and you're going to do L3 equals this button here, that's like ln, so log of, and then you're going to want to do it of L2 because that's your concentration value, so you do second 2. And it plugs you, it does all the math for you. Same thing for your second order, which is 1 over concentration. So you're going to go up to L4, hit enter, 1 divided by, then L2 values again because that's your original concentration, second 2, enter, and it does all of that for you. So column 1, you have your time. Column 2, you have your concentration, which is 0 order. Column 3, you have your log of concentration, which is first order. And then column 4, you have your 1 over concentration, which is second order. Now to how to graph it. You're going to go to second, y equals, for your stat plots. This is what your screen should look like. Then you hit enter to go on to that first one, plot 1. Make sure it is on. Choose the second one. Then go to xlist. Xlist will be L1 for all of these because that is your time value. You will have time on your graph on the x-axis for every single one. So L1, that is right. And then for your first one, it's going to be L2 because we're doing just 0 order, which is just the concentration. So go to second, 2, and hit that. Then you hit graph. So even though you see nothing, you have to go and hit zoom, and then 9 to do zoom stat. So you see that the line is curved, and the line being curved tells you that it is not 0 order. So you're going to do this again to check the first order. So you go second, y equals, you can hit the same one, enter. Again, it's on. Second one, x list is always L1. Then we're going to change the y list to L3 for your log of concentration. Hit graph, hit zoom 9 for zoom stat, and you see that the see that the line is curved, so it is not first order. And we're going to try one more time. Second, y equals, enter again on, second one, y list or x list is L1, y list now is L4. Second, 4, graph, zoom, 9. The line is straight. That tells you it is second order because the 1 over concentration of is the correct line, which is what gives you the straight line. So you know that that is your order. So your graph would end up looking like this. 1 over C4H6 time slope is like that. Matches your calculator.